Okay, then now we're gonna color Bale. Remember, it's Bale, not Bell. Bale. Belle's hat is purple. So, wait a minute. What? Wrong layer. Whoa, what am I doing? I'm not even paying attention. Okay. Bale's hat. So, Bale's hat is light purple, like a lavender. And we're just gonna fill these in right now. Here I'm gonna be Pip. Here I'm filling the background because I am going to color the body, and it's really light, almost like white, but it's not white, it's just barely. You can see the values there. 194 Forbes 100. And this is RGB 245, 253, 255. Oh, I did it on the wrong layer. No. Alright, so Belle is all filled up, minus the piquancy machine, eyeballs, beak, and the stars. But right now we just focus on Belle's main parts. Okay, so this is what the Bale looks like without the sketch. And my eyes hurt really bad, so I'm just gonna stop there for tonight because I've been animating all day today. I've been working on animating episode 5, coloring it now. This file's big and I don't have enough RAM. I did buy 2 16GB sticks from Crucial though. Crucial Ballistics. Okay, so I'm almost done. Wait, what? Hold up here. What just happened? Why is the canvas size weird? I don't understand. Okay, there we go, it's better. I don't know why that happened. Whoa. That's the flipper. Holy smokes, everything got screwed up. Wait, I colored this. Wait, no I didn't. When you have like these many frames, you start to get confused. Anyways. This file takes up 4.4 gigabytes RAM. Okay, so this is... I only animated that paper falling down today. I had to fix the flipper there. The animation's not gonna be this fast because there's gonna be pauses in between. When Belle talks, things like that. And here's it with the sketch. Belle's not gonna look like that at the end. I assure you. Oh, whoops. Gotta turn off the color layer. So Belle is looking at the paper, or Belle's handwriting, I guess. I have to look at the script. Well, you'll see when you watch episode 5, which should be coming out soon. Okay, one more time around. And I will be back with more.